guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to another Fit to Fit Friday, and today I'm going to be making another healthy-ish meal. So, y'all is gonna hear the water boiling just for 5 seconds. But today I am going to be making a vegetarian pizza. And this is the way that I make it for the most part. So if you're interested in this vegetarian pizza, then just keep watching. You guys are just going to see me moving around like this, like so. So this one's not going to be as dramatic because I already got all my crap out on the table, what I need. So what I like to put on there is some black olives, some baby spinach, an onion, maybe a half an onion, and some mozzarella cheese. Where's my scissors? No, I don't need my scissors. I need my can opener. So first, I add some salt and pepper. You don't have to have a pizza pan or this thing. You can put it on a cookie sheet if you want to. And this is flatbread. I just want to show you guys the brand I use. This is not what I get all the time, but it's just what I got right now. But this is some flatbread. It's the original flavored. Sometimes I think they got like an Italian flavor and some other stuff. But since this is all they had at the store, I wasn't fit to be picky. I don't know if I should measure this crap out for y'all. Let me know if you want me to measure this out. But I kind of eye it. I put this cheese on here like this. And I just kind of spread it out just to kind of see if I can still see the bottom of the flatbread. And then if I can, then I kind of, I don't know. I try not to put too much on there because I love cheese. So I put the mozzarella cheese on there. And then I put some salt and pepper. So this is like, what kind of salt is this? Ooh. It's pink salt, Himalayan pink salt. So that's what this is. And I pour it in here. And then I just crackle it across the top like so. I know some of y'all probably thinking, oh, girl, honey, child, you forgot your sauce. No, I didn't. I don't like sauce on my pizza. Even when I order pizza, I haven't ordered a pizza in years. But when I did order pizza, I don't like sauce on my pizza, so I've always ordered it with no sauce. And then they try to tell you, oh, your pizza's gonna burn or blah, 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 blah. I say, don't you put no sauce on my pizza, please. I don't want no sauce. So I just opened that. I'm just gonna pour this out over here. The extra juice on there. So I opened that. Now I'm about to put my spinach on the top. Now, I haven't put up my cheese yet because I'm going to go back in with some more cheese. So now that, so I'm going to just put this on here. I'm not going to worry about these stems too much because they're going to cook. So I'm just going to try to get the longer stems. And y'all, if you hear that crackling sound, it's rain. I was going to do a voiceover, but no, ma'am, Pam. Don't feel like it. I went back to my baby spinach because that other box of mixture or whatever that was, it was trying to rob me of my greens. And I really was not trying to have none of that. None of that. So I'm getting all my greens. I put a lot of these on here. I like a lot of spinach. And that other container just didn't satisfy me. Yeah, so I'm going to stick, this is going to be it. I'm not going to stick that many more on. I'm just going to make sure that it looks like the way I want it to look. Which is like a mountain, pretty much. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But I want it all on the top. No. I got my oven already preheating. Okay. So now that I got all my spinach on there, I'm going to add some more salt and pepper. Yeah. But I think I preheat my oven to, I don't know, because it don't have no numbers on there. Maybe like 350. Maybe 350, 325. But if you have an electrical stove, it doesn't even matter, because propane is completely different from electric. Like, your food gonna cook and burn the hell up real fast when you got one of them freaking propane stoves. So now I want to cut up my onion. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know where my cutting board is. That's okay. I'm gonna take this. Yep, that's a glove. That's okay, because I'm not looking for my... Where's my stuff? Okay, so now I'm gonna cut a couple things in my onion. Now, I don't know, I think this is just a regular yellow onion, but normally I get like a sweet onion. So I think I didn't get the right onion. I most definitely didn't get the right onion. But that's okay. I'ma still eat it. So there. I'm gonna put that on there. I just want it on there. I want all of these onions on here, because it's good like that. And then put some more onions on there. Okay. Well, yeah, I got the wrong onion, because normally I get a sweet onion and it don't burn your eyes. So like I said, I was about like a half an onion. And now I put my olives on there. My eyes is burning. Clean up my crap. Put that in there. I'm going to put some more salt and pepper on there. Now I'm going to get this and put a grip of olives on there. Y'all, I love olives. I love black olives. I love green olives. I love olives. Like super, 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 super love olives. I don't even know why. I don't even know what that little red thing is in the middle of that red olive. I mean, the green olives, like that little red thing. I have no clue, but I love it. And that's like half of the can. And I'm really being really dainty and generous, because normally I eat the whole can. I'll put the whole can on there, but I'm not going to do that. I want to save some for tomorrow, because I'm eating this meal tomorrow. And today is January 3rd. So I'm going to eat this tomorrow. And I'm going to top that off with some more cheese. Like so. So it looks like, it kind of looks like a lot, but it's really not. Because once I don't know what you call it, but once this spinach goes down on it, it's really not that much. So now I'm going to just stick this in the oven for like 30 minutes. But I check it like every probably 20. I check it in like 15 minutes. But I think it stays in there for about like 30 minutes. So I'll come back. Oh my god, I Olive Garden the cheese. I'll come back and it is all done. And it's literally still hot. It's still so hot. But you see, it like, oh my gosh, though. It like really shrank in size. So what I do now is take my trusty dusty scissors. I'm gonna put that on there. Put that on there. I take my scissors. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I'm so excited. Y'all, I love to eat. So now I'm gonna cut it in half, but I'm gonna eat the whole thing though. But this just makes it more easier to get a handle on. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. It's so hot. Whoa. Okay. And then I get it on my plate. Yep. Yep. Like so. And what I love to do is put, wow, not this again. Oh, okay. I got the hot sauce. You guys, see? This is the best hot sauce with the green cap. So I will eat one half. And because this is really, really, really hot right now, I cannot eat this on camera because this one is really, really hot. And I don't want to burn myself, but it's bomb. But let me just show you guys the cheesiness of it all. Like, do you see that, man? Oh my gosh. Like, this is the bestest ever. So I eat one half. I put hot sauce on the part that I'm going to bite. And then I bite it. And then I put some more hot sauce on there. And then I bite the other half. Okay. So I already ate half of it. But I just wanted to show you guys. Like this. It's still very hot. But it's so good. So good. I really can't. I can't. Can you? Because I can't. This is my healthy-ish pizza. It's vegetarian. I don't put meat on it. I don't like meat on it. And I don't like red sauce on it. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please, if you try this, please let me know down in the comment section. All the food that I show you guys, let me know if you tried it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.